Hey guys, today I'm back with this Kitty in the Rain nails, and if you know how I did these, keep watching. So I started off with stamping this cat in a little coat in the rain design. It's from MoU London. Unfortunately I lost the footage of me stamping it, but I stamp a bit more in this tutorial if you want to know how I stamp. But anyway, I just left it on the stamper, and then with a white polish I just filled in his eyeballs. And then a bright yellow for his coat. I actually have a yellow Mac. My friends call me Georgie from it. Then I filled in his skin with grey, well, fur. And then to make that pop over the base colour, I'm just painting it white. Then on my ring finger, I just painted with this dark grey from A England. And then some foil glue. I waited for that to go tacky, and then I just stamped on this decal that I created. And then on my middle finger I painted with a lighter grey. Then my MoU London Tourist 01 plate and a stamping polish, I just stamped the umbrella. And then with that same stamping polish I painted my index and pinky fingers. And then with that same A England grey polish and a Born Pretty plate, I just stamped these teardrops. And stamped that on my index and pinky. And then, because it didn't stamp properly, it dried too quickly, I applied some foil glue. Just waited for that to go tacky. And then stamped on the bits that went missing. And there you go, you never know that I mucked up. And finally, I applied a smudge resistant top coat to all of these nails. And there you go, these Kitty in the Rain nails. I didn't think these turned out as good as I had planned in my head. I think I made a few mistakes, but oh well, they're still cute. If you like these, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe. Subscribe would be good. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!